Welcome to the Uninex International web product page. Today we'll be looking at the product number PS102, the remote control surge protector. This power management device is a surge protector that has 4 remote control outlets and also 2 switch outlets for a total of 6 outlets. It also features a 3-prong 6-foot extension cord and a remote control used to operate your devices. The remote control surge protector, product PS102, features a 3-prong 6-foot extension cord, a remote control, 2 switch operated outlets, and 4 remote control outlets for a total of 6 outlets. To operate this device, simply plug in the 3-prong into a standard outlet, plug in a device into your outlets, and operate a lamp or device with the remote control. The other 2 outlets, switch operated outlets, are operated by a button This remote control surge protector is convenient for powering devices with a remote control or with a button. The remote control surge protector eliminates standby electricity usage and is great for office and home purposes. Thank you for watching our product review. We hope to see you next time.